Hello everyone, my name is Chef Ray and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and share a comment below. So today I'm going to be making fish cakes, my version of fish cakes. It's very easy and it's very beautiful. You can have this meal on a very lazy day, for lunch, for dinner, as a starter also, and for a dinner date. So let me show you how I make it. It's gonna be easy. So now I'm gonna be introducing my ingredients. So for my sauce, I will be using mayonnaise and capers and a little bit of lemon juice. And then for my fish cakes, I'll be using salmon and then my green onions, my coriander, salt and pepper for taste, and garlic and some lemon juice also. So now I'm gonna be doing my sauce, which is very easy also, and I love it. I think it's good in taste. I'm gonna chop my coriander to add some color to my sauce. Make sure that it's chopped really good, and then give it a quick chop. And then I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice. Let's say 1 lemon juice. And then I'm gonna take my capers and give it a rough chop also. It's all about chopping today. We'll be doing a lot of chopping. And then a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And then go ahead and mix it. This is how your sauce is gonna look. Chunky, creamy, beautiful. That is it. So now I'm gonna start with my salmon, my fish cakes. So I'm gonna take my salmon. As I said, it's gonna be all chop, chop, chop. I'll be chopping a lot today. My salmon. On the same cutting board, I'm gonna quickly chop my green onions, rough chop. And then my coriander, rough chop also. And then I'm gonna get some of my garlic, just put it on top. And then salt and pepper. Make sure you season it really well, because remember that it's fish cake, so they need a lot of seasoning. I'm gonna do about 3 pinches of each. Then get a little bit of my lemon juice. Lemon juice. So this is how the mixture should look. So now I'm gonna start shaping my fish cakes. You can shape them however you want. If you want them smaller, make them smaller. If you want them bigger, make them bigger. So now I'm gonna start cooking my fish cakes. So I have my oil, my olive oil, medium heat, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit butter and mix it together. Okay, and I'm gonna start taking my fish cakes, put it in. And then leave them for about 4 minutes until we form a crust on the bottom side. Then I'm going to flip them and let them cook on the other side for also about 4 minutes until they are also cooked inside. You see how amazing this looks? I mean, just have a look at this. Very quick, as I said, and I'm sure it tastes delightful. And today it's my birthday, so I have no plans for the day, but I mean, a girl can treat herself well. And thank you for watching. Let me try my dish. Amazing.